Hello, Miss Rigas. My name is Angelica Martinez. This is my ID. Introduction. In this video, I will talk about my life project, my hopes and expectations for the future. I will include faras adverse, conditionals, and the future perfect. Faras adverse. I did not study English before, but I was satisfied with my performance. I have learning a lot in the program. I can speak and understand basic conversation in this language. I want to live in Manizales with my family. I can study hard to graduate with honors. If I graduate with honors, I will have a better chance of getting a good job, continue studying, fulfill my other goals. Conditionals. I will be very successful. I cannot that it is up to me to achieve what I have proposed. I will start working on my goals. If If I maintain my average of 400, I will continue with my scholarship. If I have a good job, I can buy a house, a means of transportation, help improve my mother's house, help my brothers. In addition, I am going to make investing to have a secondary income and create jobs for my relatives who will be the ones who will help my dad to care of our work investment so that in the future I only dedicate myself to studying and being able to be financially well. Perfect future. I will have my CPA degree in the next 2 years. I will have a home, a family, and a stable life in 5 years. In more than 10 years, I will be working as a teacher, uh, in a in a nutshell, if I will have related pedagogies and the experience to do good jobs as a teacher at this university. If possible, I will be able to get the accounts of my own business idea of being able to share my canopy. That is why I will help merchants and small businesses with trying, marketing, production, and net distribution so that they can achieve a sustainable development and can take advantage of their canopy and scale in the best way. Okay, thank you very much. That was all. Goodbye.